Have you ever found yourself lost in the mesmerizing dance of the stars, steeped in the profound mystery? Are we truly the only ones here? In the grand, awe-inspiring tapestry of the cosmos, each star that twinkles in the dark abyss is not just a mere celestial body. It's a beacon of enigmatic possibilities, a potential cradle harboring life as we comprehend, or perhaps in forms entirely beyond our grasp. From the silent, icy realms of distant moons to the swirling, enigmatic, gaseous giants, life could be veiled within, patiently awaiting our discovery. The universe we belong to is vast, almost to the point of being unfathomable, and we are but a tiny, often overlooked speck on its expansive cosmic canvas. Yet amidst this insignificance, life on our blue planet has found a way to blossom in its magnificent, diverse glory. Could it be then that somewhere in the vast wilderness of the cosmos, other sentient beings exist, perhaps gazing back at us, lost in the same profound contemplation? This unquenchable curiosity, this deep-seated yearning to unravel the mystery of our solitude or companionship in the universe has sparked countless imaginations and ignited numerous scientific pursuits. It has stirred us to dispatch probes into the uncharted territories beyond our solar system, to eavesdrop on the cosmic radio waves, and even to broadcast our own existence into the fathomless abyss in hope of an echo. This profound mystery has culminated into one of the most riveting scientific pursuits of our era, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, a quest that promises to redefine our understanding of life itself. The seeds of SETI were sown at the turn of the 20th century. In the early 1900s, the concept of extraterrestrial communication wasn't just a figment of science fiction. The idea was actively explored by some of the greatest minds of the time. Nikola Tesla, a name synonymous with groundbreaking discoveries and inventions, was among the first to suggest the possibility of communicating with beings from other planets. In 1896, Tesla proposed that an extreme version of his wireless electrical transmission system could potentially be used to contact extraterrestrial beings. Not far behind Tesla was Guglielmo Marconi, the man who gave us the radio. Marconi claimed to have picked up long-distance radio signals, which he believed could have originated from Mars. His claims, though largely dismissed by the scientific community at the time, sparked a curiosity that would later become the foundation of SETI. In 1924, we saw a truly ambitious attempt to detect extraterrestrial signals. A radio receiver, the state-of-the-art technology of the time, was hoisted into the sky in a dirigible. The aim was to escape the radio interference on the Earth's surface and attempt to pick up potential signals from Mars. This, in essence, was one of the first proactive attempts to search for intelligent life beyond our own planet. These early endeavors, ambitious and filled with a sense of wonder, set the stage for what was to come. It was a time when the idea of communicating with extraterrestrial life was seen as a possibility, not merely a fantasy. A time when the boundaries of our understanding were pushed, and the search for the unknown was driven by curiosity and the spirit of discovery. These early efforts were the precursors to a more systematic and scientific approach to finding extraterrestrial life. The 1960s marked a pivotal era in the development of SETI. This decade, brimming with scientific curiosity and technological advancements, bore witness to the birth of the first modern SETI experiment, fondly named Project Ozma. It was a brainchild of the notable astronomer Frank Drake. He embarked on this ambitious endeavor with a clear vision and an unwavering resolve to unravel one of the universe's most profound mysteries: the existence of intelligent life beyond our blue planet. Project Ozma, named after a character from L. Frank Baum's Oz series, was an audacious leap into the unknown. It represented a new era of scientific exploration, where our gaze was no longer confined to the celestial bodies we could see with our naked eyes, but extended to the invisible realm of radio signals. Drake, armed with a radio telescope at Green Bank, West Virginia, aimed it at two sun-like stars, Tau Ceti and Epsilon Eridani, hoping to detect signs of extraterrestrial intelligence. This was no small task. It required not only a deep understanding of astronomy, but also a mastery of radio technology and a fair amount of luck. Despite the odds, Drake pressed on, sparking a new wave of interest in the search for intelligent life beyond Earth. The 1960s were not only significant for the birth of Project Ozma, but also for the interest shown by the Soviet Union in SETI. The Soviets, known for their formidable space program, also recognized the potential importance of this quest. Their interest in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence added a new dimension to the space race, transforming it from a competition for territorial conquest into a shared pursuit of knowledge and understanding. The 60s set the stage for a more dedicated and sophisticated search for extraterrestrial intelligence. It was a time when our curiosity about the cosmos transcended national boundaries and political ideologies. The seeds sown during this period would go on to shape SETI's future, paving the way for more advanced technologies and innovative approaches in our relentless quest to answer the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? In 1977, a significant event in the history of SETI occurred. This was the year when the Ohio State University's SETI program detected what is now famously known as the WOW signal. Named for the astonishment of the astronomer who first observed it, the WOW signal was a strong narrowband radio signal that appeared to come from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. The signal bore the expected hallmarks of non-terrestrial and non-solar system origin. It lasted for a full 72 seconds, the entire window that the Big Ear radio telescope was able to observe it, but has not been detected since. Despite numerous attempts to locate it, the WOW signal remains a tantalizing mystery. Was it a fleeting one-time transmission from an extraterrestrial civilization, or was it just an aberration of cosmic noise? We may never know. Fast forward to 2023 and we encounter another intriguing episode in the SETI Chronicles. This year saw the transmission of a test extraterrestrial signal from Mars to Earth. This was not a signal from Martians, but rather a demonstration of our own technological advancement. The signal was an audacious experiment to test our ability to receive and interpret potential communications from extraterrestrial civilization. These signals, the WOW and the Mars transmission, though vastly different in nature and origin, share a common thread. They both serve as potent reminders of our quest to answer one of the most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? These signals, though unconfirmed, fueled the fire of curiosity and exploration for SETI. As we moved into the 80s, SETI took on a new form. The US Planetary Society was founded in 1980, with a mission to support SETI studies and further our quest to uncover cosmic companions. This organization became a beacon of hope for those seeking answers to the universe's greatest enigmas, fostering a community for the dedicated researchers and passionate enthusiasts alike. Around the same time, a significant development was proposed by an astrophysicist named Paul Horowitz. He had a vision of a spectrum analyzer specifically designed for SETI. The idea was to create a device that could scan the skies more efficiently and effectively, enhancing our ability to detect potential extraterrestrial signals. This proposal marked a turning point in the history of SETI, as it underscored the importance of technology in the search for intelligent life beyond Earth. And so the evolution began. The first of these analyzers was affectionately dubbed Suitcase SETI, due to its portable nature. This compact device was capable of taking SETI research out of the traditional laboratory setting and into various locations around the globe. The Suitcase SETI was a testament to how far we had come, demonstrating that the tools for exploring the cosmos could be as mobile as we are. As time went on, the technology continued to advance. Projects like META, which stands for Mega-Channel Extraterrestrial Assay, and BETA, short for Billion-Channel Extraterrestrial Assay, came into existence. These initiatives boasted increased channel capacity and resolution, allowing for even more precise scans of the celestial sphere. They represented the pinnacle of SETI technology during their time, pushing the boundaries of what was possible in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. SETI has come a long way since its inception, with technology playing a crucial role in its evolution. Each advancement, each piece of equipment, each project has been a stepping stone on this grand journey of cosmic exploration. And as we continue to move forward, who knows what other marvels await us in the vast expanse of the universe? So, why does SETI matter? The answer lies in our inherent desire to understand the universe we inhabit. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a testament to our unyielding spirit of exploration and discovery. SETI pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding, driving us to question and explore the unknown. It challenges us to develop new technologies, to think creatively and innovatively, and to constantly refine our methods of investigation. But perhaps most importantly, SETI reminds us of our shared humanity. It reflects our collective aspiration to reach beyond our own world, to connect with something larger than ourselves. It fosters a sense of unity and purpose, a common goal that transcends borders and cultures. In a world often divided, SETI offers a powerful symbol of cooperation and shared curiosity. It encourages us to look beyond our differences and work together towards a common goal. And so, as we continue to gaze at the stars and question our place in the universe, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence remains a beacon of our unwavering curiosity.